That some of you guys would like this, and since I haven't uploaded a video in a long time, so I do a tornado siren test video. They barely do them around here. So somebody's car alarm is going off. Sounds like the one that goes off by us is going off right now. That's one they barely ever test. It's cold. So it's the first Saturday of the month, snowing. So I thought I would do this video. I think I'm starting to like tornado sirens actually. So yeah, just, whoa, that's loud. It's right down the street from me, pretty much. Sorry, if the camera is shaky, it's because it's very cold out. Sorry, I didn't know when they would start. I just was on my computer and heard them go off, so I decided I'd grab my camera. Very cold. Let me try to hold this steady here. I think that's probably just making it worse. And it is Saturday, February 3rd at 1:03 p.m. They started at 1, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, that would be a nice video since I haven't filmed in a while. It's been since January 4th, almost a month. But yeah, thanks for watching that short little video. Bye.